In this question, we have been asked that the charge per unit length of 4 quarter of ring 2 lambda, minus 2 lambda, lambda and lambda are respectively the electric field at the center is. So first of all, if we try to find the electric field due to the ring, due to circular arc, so electric field due to a quadrant of a circular arc, we get that value that is equals to that is along the angle bisector, and this is root 2 k lambda by r. Okay, so this is positively charged and its linear charge density is lambda here. Now if we apply the same concept, because you can see that we have multiple types of charge distribution, like here 2 lambda we have, here we have minus 2 lambda, lambda and minus lambda. Now you can see that minus of 2 lambda and lambda, if I can write it, I will be writing it minus lambda and minus lambda. So minus lambda and minus lambda, their electric field will cancel out, and we will have the effective electric field. We will have the effective electric field due to this, and this system is equivalent to a quadrant of negative charge density lambda. Okay, because 2 lambda will have in this direction and lambda will have in this direction. So let me show it to you. Because of minus 2 lambda, the electric field is in this direction, and because of minus of lambda, electric field is in this direction. Okay, then because of 2 lambda positive one, the electric field will be in this direction, and because of lambda, the electric field will be in this direction, like this way. So let's say I'm writing it as lambda root 2k lambda by r. We can say it as E here, root 2k lambda by r, we can say it as E. So this is E here, this is 2E. Okay, this is 2E here and this is E. So resultant, you can say that the resultant that we are going to get here, that will be in this direction, that is E of 2E and E, that is E here, and this is E. And the resultant of these two will be in this direction, that is root 2e. Okay, so that will be in this direction, that I can write it as a root of 2e, that is in this direction. Okay, using vector addition. So here I will say that this is E here, this is E here, and this is root 2e. So the resultant, E resultant, if I write, E resultant will be root 2 times E value, I will be writing it as a root 2 k lambda by r, root 2 k lambda by r, and the direction is minus of I cap, direction is minus of I cap. So this will become 2k, I will be writing 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught, and this is r here, and this is lambda with minus of I cap. So the answer is basically lambda by 2 pi epsilon naught r minus of I cap. So the correct option will be option A.